This is the video tutorial that will help you to get rid of the pop-ups by the site Bxsk.site. Some people may see these pretty strange pop-ups by Bxsk.site, and these pop-ups are definitely fake. What they try to do is to make you download some potentially unwanted software, which actually may function as a browser hijacker. If you see these pop-ups by Bxsk.site, don't tolerate them and just leave this deceptive page. If any junk extensions were mistakenly installed, so access the menu, go to settings, go to extensions, click on manage extensions, and then if you find any unfamiliar extensions, get rid of them. Also, I recommend you to research this system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. So download the application, install it, and then start researching your system with its help. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode, and only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.